Practice Spoken English Club 2023 and 2024. So we learn every day in the class or regular course in any language: English, Marathi, science, history, geography, mathematics. But this class is different from another your regular class because here is the word club. You know, club and class, there is a big difference. In the class you get limited course or prescribed course which is to be completed in the given allotted time, in the allotted grades. Okay, we cannot extend any course beyond the exam or beyond the limited time. But club where there is the exchange of thoughts. There is no binding of any course or any syllabus. Just we come, we take our seat and we express our views or thoughts in a free way. So it is called club. It is a free dice for English communication skill, ECS, English communication skill. It is the demand of the time. So the person who is very perfect in spoken English is respected all over the world. Am I right? Okay. So English speaking is the demand of the time. So the main purpose of this Super 30 Spoken English Club is to enable the students for expression in English. Most of the Marathi students, particularly Marathi students, they are very weak in the expression in English. While they are very perfect, they are very smart in Marathi speaking, but while speaking English, they get failure because they have no habits. They have no habits of expressing into English because it is a foreign language. It is the language of trade. It is the language of business, science and technology. So the main purpose of this club is to enable the students to express themselves into English and again to avail them of the related resources of spoken English. There are so many resources, digital, audio, video, okay, audio, video, print media, books, library. So the work of this club is to provide them related resources of all spoken English. If we get some useful facilities, then we can develop our language, English very well. And to build up a bridge, do difference between bridge and flyover. Flyover is to which is goes over the road, it is called flyover, and the bridge that connects two edges of the river, two edges of the river, two banks of the river, it is called bridge. So in the class, in the school, every student is not smart and every student is not prodigious. It is a mixture. So we are to connect the weak students to the smart students. Those 30 students who will develop their spoken skill English, they will help these weak students, and in this way we are to develop the communication skill in future. So that communication skill will be more useful for your coming academic years when you will appear for engineering, medical or any hotel management courses. There will be most use of this skill. Okay, so please